Hello, second grade. This is Module 6, Lesson 12. Our objective today is I can use mount drawings to compose a rectangle with square tiles. Okay, so I have one square here, and I need to make 2 rows of 3. So, I want you to draw one square, and then I want you to add onto that square the 2 rows of 3. So push pause and then push play when you're ready. Okay, let's compare our arrays. So I have one square here, and I need 2 rows of 3. So how many do I need in the first row? I need 3, right? So I'm going to add 2 more. 1, 2. So do I have 3 in my row? Yes, I do. I also want you to notice that my squares here, they do not have a space in between. They are right next to each other, and they're not overlapping either. So they're just right next to each other, no spaces, and they're not overlapping. So hopefully that's what your array looks like. Now I need to now add another row here. How many? 3. Okay, so let's add one more row here. 1, 2, 3. Do I have the correct amount of tiles? I believe I do. Here's my array, 3 rows of 3. Okay, my next one, I need to draw 2 rows of 3 here. Go ahead and draw one square, and then do your 3 rows of 3. Push pause and then push play when you're done. Remember, your array should not have any gaps between the tiles, and there should not be any overlapping. Okay, let's compare our arrays here. So I'm going to add 2 more tiles here because I need 3 in each row. How many more rows do I need? I have 1 row, but I need a total of 3. Right, I need 2 more rows. So I'm going to add another row here with 3 tiles in it. And does my array, is it looking good so far? Is there any spaces or any overlay? No. Okay, so we're doing good so far. How many more rows do we need to add to have 3 rows? We need 1 more row. Okay, here we go. Alright, how does my array look? Do I have any gaps or any overlays in my array? Alright, so here's my array of 3 rows of 3. And here's our next one. We have 3 rows of 5 now. We want 3 rows of 5. So go ahead and draw your first square, and then finish your array with 3 rows of 5. Push pause and then push play when you're done. Alright, let's compare our arrays here. I'm going to add a couple more tiles here. Do I have a row of 5 here? It says I need 3 rows of 5. So do I have 5 tiles in my row? Yes, I do. Okay, so how many rows do I need all together? I need 3. So I have 1 row. How many more rows do I need? 2 more rows. Okay, so let's add another row here. Here's my next row. How does my array look so far? It looks like I don't have any gaps and I don't have any overlays. Let's add another row. Okay, check your array and see if your array looks like mine. My array doesn't have any gaps, and it doesn't have any overlay. It is all together. It has 3 rows of 5. This is how yours should look. Okay, it is your turn now. You're going to draw an array of 3 columns of 3, starting with the square below without gaps or overlaps or overlays. So you're going to draw your first square, and then you're going to draw 3 columns of 3. Good luck. Don't forget to seesaw me.